child, before I knew all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never end. How I'd love to dance with my father again. When I and my mother disagreed, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left another under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never end, 'cause I'd love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside the door, and I'd hear how my mother cried for him. I pray for her even more.
Sawubona, ngiyakubingelela. Unjani likhaya, Absheng, Dumelang. How are you guys? It's Give the Soul, mfana mtimazi ngibambolo yethu ngababili futhi khawonini amagazi ngebisi bani makhala ngebisi. 589 TV live guys, episode 7 guys. So far I'm pushing. This is the new content guys, I don't wanna lie. 589 TV live, episode 7. So today we're gonna be talking on behalf of our dads, on behalf of my daughter. We are talking Father's Day, guys. I feel like it's not taken serious. I don't wanna lie, it's not taken serious. I'm not feeling some of us about Father's Day, guys. Angiboni siyithatha serious Father's Day. Me as a man, I'm concerned, and you also. You can comment as you're watching right now, because I'm live. You see I'm live. You can comment. The topic is about Father's Day, guys. I feel like 589 TV feel like if Father's Day is not taken serious like other holidays, or Heritage Day, or your day, my Instas, you see, Women's Day, Mandela Day, guys, you see we have days, my event we had this now. So people are talking about those events before I come in. So we are looking at that issue, guys. So far on my street, I'm saying if I'm mentioning Father's Day, guys. I know lots of us guys, lots of you guys, we don't have bobabe. We are raised by single parents. Shout out to them. And those kids, who managed to cope around it without the father figure. So it's Father's Day, guys. Now I feel touched. I'm a father. So if you're a father, nobody's telling you about Father's Day. You see, guys. So now if you have a father, go to tell him it's Happy Father's Day. Even though you don't have a father, go to tell another father. Because now they forgot it's Father's Day. So now guys, let's go. But we're gonna check. We're gonna be playing songs. You see, this is our DJ, guys. So for the Father's Day, yeah. So Jazzy D, guys, is gonna be mixing. I'm giving him 2 or 5 minutes. You see, slightly like on this live. Guys, speaking of this, what Jazzy D, Bobabe. So shout out to Jazzy D. So is I can put him as a main DJ for Father's Day, guys. So we don't have a DJ, so we're using him as our DJ on this 589 TV Live. Guys, don't forget to go to Spotify. Go to Spotify, stream my songs. Imbebokoko, Lobola, Don Laka, Spirit Cleansing, guys. On Spotify, go to Spotify. You can get me, my songs, Give the Soul. Spotify, guys, be used to Spotify. I know all of you on the phones, you have Spotify. So go to Spotify, guys. And don't forget to go to Trading Arena. Trading Arena, guys. So far, yeah, trading is good. So far, I'm a new member, but I'm enjoying trading, guys. Now, every time you play on Facebook, you play on TikTok all the time on your phone, so you can just do trading for arena, guys. Never games so for registration, just for registering, you get $5,000 free, guys, and it's for free, guys. You get free $5,000. But if you want to register, use my code. There's a code on Facebook on my timelines. Check there. There's a code, Trading Arena. So you go, you follow up. So far, some videos no video. So guys, this one it's chance kings. So for time you go so guys, ikhonile kuphakama yabona bithela amanye countries, so iphakamile ekuseni abe number 10 itolo ebusuku ngangenile ngiphakamile nakhona kancane yabo. So asingene nisibe baningi, guys, siyayicinzetele once because guys, for the free 5,000 it's just for you to catch up with the game yabona usidla kanjani yabona. So yeah, I don't know how to put it, guys, but But if you can put your own money, it's easy. You can catch along fast. You see, but this one free. Let's go to this one, guys. Siyapushana. If I go to number 1, I realize that I was beaten about guys. Say it's in my you see, go to my Facebook, gift comments on Facebook, Unchola Labo, guys. Shout out to all of you, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. Shout out to you. First, we look for another song. Okay, this artist, guys, there's this Tracy Chapman. I didn't is a female or a male. When I see her on the videos, let's go to the videos. So she got this thing like une quarter windows, une windows, something like that. So windows I wave something. She got it. Just look at this face. You see? So for Bobabi, guys, life is gonna eat up.
I wanna take it to anywhere. Maybe we make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. And it plays better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here, but working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money, won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs, finally see what it means to be living. See, my old man's got a problem. Yeah, but the bottle, that's the way it is. He says his body's too old for working. His body's too young to look like his. My mama went off and left him. She wanted more than life than he could give. I said, somebody's got to take care of him. I quit school, that's what I did. You got a fast car. Is it fast enough so we can fly away? We gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or let it die this way. So remember when we were driving in your car. Speed so fast I felt like I was drunk. City lights stay out before us, and your arm felt nice wrapped around my shoulder. Had a feeling that I belong. Had a feeling I could be someone.
Be someone. Yeah, Tracy Chapman, guys. Yeah.
We got a fast car. We go cruise and entertain ourselves. Still ain't got a job. Now work in the market as a checkout girl. I know things will get better. You'll find work and I'll get promoted and we'll move out of the shelter. Bye.
So it's Tracy Chapman, guys. Don't forget. So there's this thing, Bo Stunkero, DJ Stunkero, DJ Nyasa. They're always fighting for Bo art and culture. You see, these guys, they are not for the job, guys. I don't wanna lie. So, but nigga mundo wrong the schools. I don't know lie. All the time, I go mundo wrong the schools. I don't wanna lie. Every time, on the position, the wrong guy all the time. So they are crying go see ba focus to abantu bangaphandle kunawo. You know, angeke usuhlala eMpumalanga. You see eMpumalanga. Lo muntu obvious ukuthi alapha office is not from Mpumalanga, guys. Labantu if baqeda kusebenza kulama local municipalities, they get promoted to a parliament laseMpumalanga. So vele uphethe umuntu ongaphandle. Obvious. Nakalapha office akanicabangi nje. Doesn't think about DJ Stunkero, doesn't think about Give the Soul, doesn't think about, you see, So that's why they're crying about that, guys. All the time is so meaning I'm going to this one. Meaning I saw as a citizen, I just saw an opportunity. I saw we just live in guys. You see, there's this construction on the road on the N4 now hamba Manjeza, guys, from Mombera to Nkomazi. See, so they are fixing the Manjeza. So what I've noticed 2015 2014 the rush hour in the morning, so I was working in the city Mombela. So but we had a branch in Malilane, guys. So there was a time before I go to Mombela, I must first go to Malilane, then I go to Mombela. At the same time in the morning, I must catch 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock I go out to Malilane. From 1:30 to I'm going to town, you see. That's how it was working. So guys, I see now the speed times. You can't catch that speed right now. You can't. Because you need to accelerate for a long time, guys. Yeah, online again. Guys, it's N4. So, guys. You see? So, catch up fast with time. So, what they did is, Bafage, my speed times on N4. So, the speed number on the N4. You see? That's why, guys, nigga saying my license. Because they've got licenses, guys, if you can check them. Licenses, I'm talking about these guys, you see. They've got these things. But this thing, guys, I don't want to lie. But there's a school for this. Some of them. By saying the guys. So, make sure, even though you're saying a license, guys, funza my rules. My rules, I don't want to lie. What my rules? My rules, my signs, you see. That's what you must do. So, that's why you see. The guy who's in charge, the big boss who's in charge, as businessmen, as people, you see. We know someone is car. Sometimes you wake up late, you need to rush. Imagine saying 10 must be times before where we are going. There's also more share, guys. So it's Father's Day. It's focus on Father's Day, So, we're gonna go back to a classic. This one is a classic, guys. I don't know that. Shout out to DJ Tira, DJ Socks. So, guys, there's this party. I still don't throw this party. I don't know lie. Once I went to Devon, guys. No. This was a huge party. I don't know lie. So it's Devon Underground. Wow, guys, huge party thrown by DJ Tira and Socks. Then I like that party, so I want to make one of those parties in Mombela. If I make it in Mombela, I want to make it Mombela Underground. So I'm just going back to a classic, guys. This is a classic. We were young back in the days. Hey guys, I don't wanna lie. I want someone know what Mark Zuckerberg. Guys, I'm telling you, guys, I want someone who know Mark Zuckerberg. Guys, we are working Facebook. I don't wanna lie. Yo, guys, I'm not working, guys. I'm working Facebook. Sometimes I get tired, guys. I don't wanna lie. Wow, I wake up, guys. I can work Facebook from the morning until another morning. The way I have time, I call. So tell Mark Zuckerberg, must increase the money, guys. The work is too much, guys. Imagine share span and get $5. Imagine, guys. So Jiran Mark Zuckerberg akakhuphula imali madoda edemali incane. I don't wanna lie. So working hard, guys. I don't wanna lie. So sometimes I use my money, go out, take video, do and make videos, guys. In my video, you see. So Mark Zuckerberg must think for it. We need transport, we need cameras, because we're not gonna end up using phones on this one. So we need cameras, guys, to you see. So anyone who know Mark Zuckerberg, even you, Mark Zuckerberg, if you hear this message, my boss, yeah, you're the boss, you're the director, the CEO of this show. I don't wanna lie, you are the sponsor of the show, because I'm live right now because of you, Mark Zuckerberg, on Facebook. Shout out to Mark Zuckerberg, but must increase the money. I'm doing, guys. The money must increase. I'm putting more effort on this one, so the TV must pay. Because this one, you see, is Facebook TV, guys, you see, must pay. I don't wanna lie. Yeah, what's that PC there like Facebook? Swaninga cool. You see, we're trying to make it happen, guys. That's the only platform we have right now. Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, you see, with Spotify, these are the platforms, guys. It's like we're living our dream. I don't wanna lie. Back in the days, I shoot a video, yeah, a music video, but now you can put it your music video on YouTube, you see. So I find, guys, so this, check it serious, it's a little TV this one now. I was doing America, that's why I think lady Titanic Labandona was America before Titala. So let's go to another song. As this move. Yeah, I'm gonna play just a classic song. Don't forget to Skip the Soul, 589 TV Live. Sanyagata on a Saturday, I don't know, like it's a Saturday today of the youth. Yeah, call the Saturday of the youth. I feel like in a man that I didn't go out till you guys, but I'm still gonna go out. Bye, I'm trying. So I told you guys, I've got 2 terms, classic terms for you. Gutswafa. You're gonna use it like this. Ungatswafi. That means ungamini, release baba. You see? Ungamini. So the next term is zwagala. You're gonna use it like this. Zwagala. That means you can come, you see? Then you can say zwagalisa. That means you say give, you see? So we're gonna go, is that a term? I don't know, like, because never term is also many songs. So, now I don't know, like, there's this guy, shout out to Shazaki, there's this guy, but see, Mr. Fabiani. Mr. Fabiani is saying, guys, he's very aggressive. So, today, I'm very aggressive. This is our later in Zima. It's in my daughter. I'm very aggressive, guys. We're talking about father. Shout out to you all, guys. love this song, guys. So far nje ngale ingoma ukuthi you can release yourself, guys, nje uphefumule nje when the song staying, you see, not tired nje, you see, yeah, kind of feelings, you see. So sometimes music is just catching feelings, guys. If you're listening to music, don't use your brains, use your ears and your feelings, guys. It's time to relax your brains. That's why I love music. That's the PS room, guys. Yabona emhlabeni, guys, kunemsindo, I don't wanna lie. There's a lot of noise. Kids playing on the streets, cars, people shouting, you see. But it's a Saturday, you see. There's a lot of noise on the streets, I don't wanna lie. So guys, give the soul 589 TV live. For them timers and pomponing, guys, I used to tell you, inja beidla chani ingoma idla mathambo. So now inja itsabiliketana, I don't know lie, ingaluma nemnikati inja idla ipaloni this time, I don't know lie. Now before cars, take it serious, guys. Yeah, inja ngazitsabiliketana, wow, cabanga ukuthi sekwentengani. So ingaluma nemnikati ayisanenzaba sitsabiliketana, guys. Sinima vele inima power senja, you see. Hey, silwane singaphumula ukuthi silwane, guys. Like imfene ayikhohlwa ukuthi imfene noma idlalisa endlini wendeni ayiyozikhohlwa ukuthi imfene. That's a human animal behavior, liyabuya kuyo. So we're gonna go to I always forget, guys. There's one song of mine we're gonna play. Hey, so guys, I'm still coming. So I'm just dropped the songs on YouTube. Ngikubona ama numbers uzaphakama before ngeka Spotify. Okay, I still checking. I'm gonna check on my song, guys. I know that some of you are arrogant, man. Anakitindo, so nizame kunakatindo, don't wanna lie. Wow, there's a huge song, guys. There's a huge song. YouTube, guys. No check keep the song on YouTube. That's Spotify, guys. I don't wanna lie. Yeah, we're going to song Utando, guys. But this song is saying so to guys. Wow. Music is amazing, guys. That's why we express ourselves on music. So go to YouTube, give the soul. Spotify, give the soul. It's all about give the soul, guys. Push our talent, see. Yeah, one could. So what gifts is my link? I don't know, like, but I'm the only gift, the gifted gift in South Africa. I don't know, like, South Africa as a whole. I'm the gifted gift. I don't know, like, no one went for what's in gift. So they were thinking it's me. All the music industry, check how many gifts are there. They're still looking for me. They is the gift. The only gift is me. I'm still hiding, guys. We can have thousands of the gifts, but I'm the only gift with the gift. So go to my song. I'm still waiting. Ngonile sibene figure lilo inkinga, guys. Whose gift? You see, after lockdown, they were asking whose gift. They were told by gift. If you listen to the more, guys, they were talking about gift. So everybody was asking himself or herself, whose gift? Which gift they're talking about? I'm the only gift, guys. I'm still waiting. I'm hiding for the gift. You see, what gift? See, content creators, they are what gift. Musicians, what gift? You see. So I was waiting for the time. You see, this card is called apart. All the gifts, and let's see the ganye. What gift? So smiling, guys. Let's go to this song. I'm the only gift. I'm still hiding. I don't know the line. Yo. But this song, okay, let's go to. We are checking, guys. I don't know the lie. So internet, Wi-Fi too is the problem. I don't know the lie. But let's go to directly refine, give the soul. So nakhohlwa, guys. Season changes, guys. Never basaselexa, I don't know the lie. Nasibohlukanisa, yo guys, ngikhohliwe. Sihlukaniseni sekusebusika. Labanye solo bacasa kusehlobo, guys. Ngibonile umntwana lomncane yathi zikamkhutha umntwana mshana wala endlini. So uyabona iwedi ivalile, even yesterday bekuvalile. Hey, udlala ngeskipo ngithi ayikhona. lo mntwana akaweva namakhadi or what, you see. But ngiyacabanga ukuthi nebantu labadzala kusana basele kusama because uyathi kathi nakuphela mnyaka ngoDisember kunebantu labasolo bangabelieve kusesekuJanuary. We are moving on, guys. Labanye basala lapho but for now, guys, my Wi-Fi is a problem. Okay, naye. Okay, guys, I have songs, man. I don't know like it's songs, man. Guys, niggas and I think I producer without telling no one. Just in one say I can catch something. So guys, I'm checking, guys. I don't know lie. But my Wi-Fi is not right now. I want to play one of my songs. See if I'm not, guys. With you guys, go banjan. So I'm the only gift. I don't know lie. Okay, for now, I'm going to go and lie. Ingoma uthando yesuit, so it's something like that. So I'm gonna play one of my songs. One my songs are lapana na inume sangu. It's a Portuguese song, guys. But I'm a piano Portuguese song. Let's go to this song. You're gonna like this song. I don't know lie. I'm gonna go YouTube. Didn't check. So if I can see the numbers growing, I release it, guys. I don't know lie. So far, it's like YouTube and I release. Again. This is the problem. The wife, oh, you wife call. Skip the song, no mesangu. You can play it kaini, Oxe or Smart TV. My friend, you need a room. Ulale, so I'm coming up, guys. See, I'm the only gift, the only famous gift in South Africa. Sure, guys, yami yebo kancane nje ngikhethekile kancane yebaba dlala umculo wami nje. So if you have more problems as a South Africa, I don't know lie, guys, if you are having problems as a South Africa, you are tired of thinking atasemzansi, thinking atemndeni, thinking at the boyfriend, thinking at the wangani, thinking at the past, thinking at the mhlaba. If you are tired of that, so go to my songs, guys. Mine, I'm thinking out of the box. I'm not thinking South Africa, don't know lie, guys. Okay, I'm living in South Africa, but my mind is not here. My body is in South Africa, but my mind is out there. They out there quiet alone, you see. So that's how life is supposed to be. My music is very international, guys. You see, that's why I'm trying just to catch up with you. Me when I grew up, I believe music we English, guys, or music lenye language. You see, Siswati sine now lakithi eMpumalanga. Music weSwati is boring. Nje when they house or amapiano ngeSwati is boring unless you get someone from Swaziland. But Mpumalanga is next to Swaziland, guys. I don't know lie. Even Nanyalo, King Mswati, was claiming that the whole of Mpumalanga is his land, live in Ababwake. But luckily we have borders, guys. Yabona belungu basita to put borders. But now imagine you think Nazi is under Mswati. Mpumalanga yonke under Mswati. Swaziland yonke under Mswati. You see, it's like Lomun Vele is dominating country. Two more countries, South Africa and Swaziland, was going to be combined and be one. So far, this song is very international. So think international, guys. Don't think inside the box. Think outside the box. If you want to trap your enemies, ungalanzi indlela bakuphe yona la duzane, maybe bakuphe yona kamakhelwane. No, go and look for a dog indlela engathi bantu on this community. A new dog, guys. Maybe a dog from from Ematafeni, when you stay in Pinar. You can go to look for a dog. Le Ematafeni. We let's Pinar to catch the thieves laba tatochonje, because bantu bangazaba inja. No yesiba ngathi umuntu angayisacabanga ukuthi bothosi bathi tatochonje what. So think outside the box all the time. How to be one step ahead kule community lohlala kuyo, because bayachonje guys. I don't know, like you work hard lamanye bavuka ngabo fast 4 ekuseni ndoda avuka yosebenza abuye alale avuka yosebenza. So guys, bamtshontshele. So guys, yabo bambisele emuva. So if you have a dog uyibeke ngaphandle ligadile, it's not easy to watch. Some they are scared, but the dog must be from ekuseni, ingabi inja yala. I don't know, like guys, why you put the good sabayijwayele inja yakho. So we need a dog with bayisaba yabo from Matafeni to Pinar inja lenjalo, guys. So I'm just gonna give you taste like that. So far, guys, and like that's why go to YouTube. I don't know, like YouTube ne mix ya mlikazi mix guys. Let's go to this mix. For the first stage again, visa kancane ukuthi ngithikameza njani. Yeba, ngiyathikameza strong enambeni. Ngiyathikameza. Let's go. So guys, this is the mix. You can get it on YouTube. On YouTube, you can get this one. So you see, I'm lighting a candle for you at home. For Mindeni. Laba lose the relationship. Those who lost the relationships with family members. Yabona guys, ngendeka ngicabane nemindeni nje. So I'm lighting this candle for you all. Then and again, I'm lighting it for Bobabe. Father's Day. Shout out to Bobabe. Bobabe, most of them they're breadwinners, guys. Shout out to them. I'm lighting a candle to that. Shout out to 589 TV. I'm lighting a candle to that. Shout out to you who's watching this live right now. I'm lighting a candle for you. Shout out to Mark Zuckerberg. I'm lighting a candle for Facebook. Guys, I'm lighting a candle for this live. So thank you very much for watching my live. It's Give the Soul 589 TV live. You can get me on Gift Comments on Facebook. GAMED_EG on Instagram. Give the Soul on TikTok. Give the Soul on YouTube. You can get me, guys. Give the Soul on Spotify. Don't forget to stream my songs, guys. You see, because of time, now the show is off. It's time out, guys. I'm signing out right now. So that's why I'm lighting this candle. I'm lighting for this live. Yeah, kanye kube kuhle, guys. Walama masala, alama masala. This one, yabona bafundisi bakhuluma ngisho nangemathanga. So I'm lighting a candle. Ngisho ukuthi akukhanye kube kuhle. Ngisho kini lonke bogogo nabomkhulu, bogogo nabokokokati, mathonga nemathongakati for ungisingatha for doing the show. And you guys, nafanele ngisingathile while I'm busy preaching. Now you are there watching me, listening to what I'm saying. Shout out to you all. God bless you all. Let's keep the soul. Gift kameke mfana mtimaza ngibambulu yethu ngababili futhi ekhabonini mageza ngebisi bani makhala ngelibisi. Injalo edla ipaloni baba. Ngababute ekhayini, ubute gogo wakho, ubute uma wakho, ubute sisi wakho. Can a dog eat a paloni? Ngimi injalo edla ipaloni okutshela ukuthi inja yegame lekhulu leyo. injalo eziphaloni. Shout out, I'm signing out.